So we have a table divided into 4 columns. A scenario with the associated noun, verb, and predicate. So we're going to deduce constants and variables from the sentences and produce a mass expression from it. And to do that, we have to separate the sentence into 3: noun, verb, and predicate. The first question says, my gross salary is $300. What is my net salary? A noun is the main subject of the sentence. So from the first scenario, a salary gross and net salary are the 2 subjects of the sentence. So I'm going to write salary here. A verb is either an action performed on a noun, that is the salary or the gross salary, as is the case of action or auxiliary verb, or it is a word describing the condition of the noun, as in the case of linking verb. Our verb is a linking verb, is. It is describing the condition of the noun salary or gross salary. Now, predicate is the actual condition of the noun. In what state is the salary? Is it big, small, high, or low? It is from the predicate that the constants and the variables can be derived. Now, if the condition of the subject is known, we have a constant. If, on the other hand, the condition is not known, we express it as a variable. So the condition of the gross salary is known. So it can be expressed as G, which is the gross salary, equals to $300. This is the constant. The condition of the net salary is not known. So we write it as N, where N is the net salary. Okay, now the expression. If your gross salary is $300, then you need to subtract tax from it. What remains is the net salary, 300, which is the gross salary, minus T. So tax in this case is also a variable because the amount is not made known. So it's a variable. Now this is our final expression, 300 minus T. How many students are in a class of 12 boys and unknown number of girls? This is a question with a linking verbs are, whereas the noun or subject of the sentence stands as students. Students, that's the subject of the sentence. The whole sentence is talking about students in a class. It is a question with a linking verb, are. This in the form of a question. If you get confused, then answer the question first to obtain clarity on the structure of the sentence. A reply to this sentence will be there are ... or X students in the class. So clearly are is the linking verb. So the subject of this sentence will be students. The whole sentence talking about number of students. The verb is linking verb are, and then the predicate is the condition the students are in. It's talking about the amount of boys and girls. 12 boys and unknown number of girls. So we can say the whole students are divided into boys and girls, with the boys represented as B equals to 12, and the girls represented as G, which is unknown. So 12 is the constant and G is the variable. So to derive the expression, we add the boys and the girls to obtain total number of students in the class, because that's what the question is all about. Find the total number of students in the class. So it's going to be 12 plus G. That should be 12 plus G. Kakus is 2 times older than me. It is clear that I and a guy named Kakus are the subject of the sentence. Oh, let me color code this. Okay. So the subjects are me and Kakus. The sentence is talking about us. Me and Kakus. And so the linking verb is. That's the linking verb. It helps explain the condition, me and Kakus. It helps explain my condition and Kakus' condition. Okay, then the predicate is about our ages, my age and Kakus' age. How old is Kakus? Two times older than me. So we write k equals to 2 multiplied by dash dash dash. We don't know my age. Well, Kakus' age isn't so clear, but at least we know that he's 2 times older than somebody. That makes it a bit clear, but not so clear. So it is between a constant and a variable. The my age will be represented as M. My age is completely in the dark. No one knows how old I am. Not even a comparison is made. Am I twice as old as somebody? Am I half somebody's age? No one knows. So M is the variable. An expression for this statement is to answer the question, how old is Kakus? Kakus is 2 times older than me. That is 2 multiplied by M, or simply 2M. Last question. My score is half of the pass mark. My score is half of the pass mark. The subject of this sentence is my score. Is the linking verb. The condition of my score is a failure. It is half the pass mark. What is the pass mark? It could be any number between 50 to 100. This uncertainty makes it a variable. I will use x as the variable for the pass mark. Pass mark is equals to x. So expression now, to get the clarity on the level of my score, we divide the pass mark into 2, because the sentence says my score is half of the pass mark. That means our expression will be x over 2. That's it.